In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change dashed line spacing in AutoCAD. This knowledge is essential for anyone looking to refine their technical drawings and improve overall clarity. Let's take each step slowly and ensure you fully grasp how to customize line spacings to fit your precise needs. First, you'll want to begin by going to the command line within AutoCAD. Here, you'll type in the command LTSCALE. Essentially, this command refers to the Linetype scale, and executing it will reveal the current measurement of your Linetype scale. This is your foundation, the starting point from which you'll make necessary adjustments. At this point, it's essential to note the existing scale, as you'll be making incremental changes based on this original figure. Why do we approach it incrementally? Well, adjusting too drastically might lead to lines becoming overly spaced out or tightly clustered, thus making them difficult to view or adjust properly. Incremental adjustments allow you to maintain control and precision throughout this process, ensuring each change contributes positively to your drawing's readability and aesthetic. Once you have a hold on how to adjust the overall Linetype scale, let's shift focus a bit. What if you need to change the spacing of just a single dashed line without affecting others? Easy. Begin by selecting the specific line you wish to change. With the line selected, you will then type Properties into the command line and press Enter. This action directs you to the Properties panel for your selected line. Here, within the various properties displayed, you'll notice a value for the Linetype scale particular to this line. You can adjust this value independently of others, which allows for meticulous control over individual line spacing. Again, alterations here should be approached with the same consideration for incremental change. You won't want to enter an exaggerated scale that could distort the line too much from its intended style or proportion compared to the rest of your drawing. Once you've entered the new value, take a step back to observe the modifications. Does it now match the visual and functional requirements of your project? If so, you've succeeded in changing your dashed line spacing both effectively and meticulously. It's just that simple. With these steps, adjusting dashed line spacing in AutoCAD can become a straightforward and rewarding task. You enhance not just the appearance, but also the professionalism of your designs. So go ahead, experiment with confidence, and see how these changes can make a significant difference in your drawings.